Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sliced fish in trio egg spinach soup or 三蛋鱼片汤. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we're going to do a simple seasoning on our fish. I have with me over here 300 grams of sliced fish. I'm using mackerel over here. You can use grouper, snapper, any fish that you like, preferably without bones. For seasoning, we'll add in a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of white pepper. We'll mix this up using our hands first. Mix them up gently. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in a little bit of corn flour. We'll start off with half a tablespoon of corn flour first. Mix them up well. By adding in the corn flour, we are protecting the protein also, so that this will be very smooth and very nice when we actually eat it. The texture is going to be fantastic. Okay, once we mix them up, we'll just set them aside and I'll show you how I put the dish together. Now we'll put the dish together, heat up a wok using medium heat, add in a little bit of oil, add in 4 pieces of garlic, just half them like this. Alright, we want to extract the flavor out. We do not need to wait until the oil is very hot, just put them in. Add in about 3 slices of young ginger too, put it in. Now we'll fry them until they are a little bit brown. Move them around. This dish is very delicious, easy to make at home, and you'll be amazed by the taste. This can be a one dish meal because it has protein, vegetables and soup all in one. Very easy to put together. Just turn the garlic over when they are starting to brown like this. Okay. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from here, we'll add in our chopped garlic. 3 pieces of garlic chopped. Mix them up well. Fry them until they release the fragrance, which will be pretty fast. We don't really have to brown the minced garlic, just to get the flavor out. When you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, we'll add in our chicken stock. 500 milliliters of chicken stock. I'm using those pre-packed chicken stock, so it's a little bit salty. That's the reason why we'll be adding in water. Add in 200 milliliters of water. We'll add in our salted egg now. 1 whole salted egg. Make sure you boil and cook the salted egg first and then mince them up like this. Put them in. Add in 1 whole century egg, also mince up like this. This one we don't have to cook it, just peel and then just chop it up. Put everything in. Give it a light stir. Put the lid on and we wait for this to come to a boil. I'll be cooking this for a while just to bring this to a boil. And now that it's boiling, we'll add in our spinach. Add in our spinach. This is approximately 200 grams of round leaf spinach. Put everything in. Give it a light stir. You can turn the heat up to medium-high now just to make sure that the soup is boiling. Once the soup starts to boil like this, we'll add in our fish. Slowly add in the fish. Separate the fish out. Of course, if you want to cook this without the fish, you can also. Or if you want to substitute your fish with other seafood like prawns, squid, by all means do so. Now we just need to cook the fish. When the fish turns white, that means the fish is done. Try not to overcook seafood, otherwise you'll lose its sweetness as well as the texture will be different. So this soup is almost done. Now we just need to taste this to make sure that the flavor is what we are looking for. Absolutely delicious. No salt needed, no nothing needed. Now, of course, if your stock is less salty or you're using home-based stock that you did not add in any salt, by all means salt it according to taste. Now that this is cooked, we'll add in 1 beaten egg. Slowly drizzle it over the soup. Now this is optional. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Splash it by the side. This will give another dimension to the flavor. Give it a light stir. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really, really aromatic. I can smell the ginger inside here. This is going to be so good. Let's try the fish first. Oh, smooth, tender, very good fish. The veg, melts in your mouth, and the soup. Oh, this is so good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, very, very good.